Good morning, everyone. Today's reading assignment is A Trip to the Zoo in page 88 on your packet. Hope everyone is having a good morning. We're almost done with the week. Last push. All right, let's begin. The zoo is a fun place to visit. At the zoo, you can watch and learn about different animals. Polar bears live near the North Pole. Thick fur keeps them warm when it's cold outside. Polar bears have big, sharp claws. Flamingos are pink birds with long legs. They eat tiny plants that grow in the water, plus insects and small fish. The biggest cat in the world is the tiger. Tigers hunt other animals for food. Their fur has black and brown stripes. The petting zoo is a special area where you can touch and feed the animals. Zoos also feature water mammals like seals and animals from other continents like African zebras. Larger animals like bears are exciting to see in zoos. It is fun to spend a day at the zoo. Zoos have many different animals from around the world that you cannot see every day. And now, let's flip to page 93 and answer the study questions. Directions. Circle the answer. Number 1. A zoo has many different A. Cows, B. People, or C. Animals. Number 2. What is the biggest cat in the world? A. The flamingo, B. Polar bear, or C. Tiger. Now for number 3. Directions. Write the word to complete the sentence. You can touch and feed animals in a petting. Number 4. Challenge. Then you write your answer. What is your favorite zoo? Number 5. What is your favorite zoo animal? Let us know what your favorite zoo animal is. Upon completion, please upload to Teams. Thank you.